Okay, so let's see how you did. Is there space to move the water closet and rotate it? The water closet is 6 feet and 1 inch long, and this wall is the same length of this wall. So let's add these together. So I have 7 feet, 9 inches, adding to 2 feet, 10 inches. So I have 19 inches and 9 feet, but there's a foot in there, so I'm going to take it out, which is 12 inches, and add it here. So I've got 10 feet, and if I subtract the 12 from the 19, so this wall is 10 feet, 7 inches. So yes, I have room. Remember, that door won't be there, so I can move the water closet here because it's 6 feet and 1 inch, and I'll still have 4 feet left over. So yes, I can move the water closet, and I can turn it so that it sits in the top right-hand corner.